Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy released by India Optel Limited. So let's start the video. Friends, India Optel Limited is a Government of India enterprise under Ministry of Defence. So they have released the recruitment for professionals on fixed term contract basis in India Optel Limited. So at serial number 3, there is a vacancy for Deputy Project Manager Finance and Accounts on a contract basis. Here there are total 8 vacancies, out of which 5 vacancies are for unreserved category candidate and rest are all for reserved category candidate. The maximum age limit asked is 40 years as on the date of advertisement, and the essential qualification and experience asked is as follows. You should be a graduate in any discipline and CA final pass out or a CMA final pass out, then only eligible, and you need to have minimum 1 years of post qualification experience excluding your articleship period, then you are eligible. Here they have mentioned the main responsibilities that you need to perform on the job, that is verification or verifying the accuracy of data, liaising with hired consultant to provide necessary information and documents, preparation and finalization of books of accounts, then liaising with various auditors, submit report to them, then liaising with GST departments, preparation of data for monthly GST return, etc. So basically all the accounts and finance related functions you need to perform. Then the contract period will be of 2 years, which can be extended up to 1 year as per the requirement and satisfactory performance, and here you will be paid rupees 85,000 per month on consolidated basis. Now how to apply? Friends, you have to download the application from the website of the company. The application annexure is attached in this notification, so you can go through the notification and download that application, and after that you have to fill the application form and you have to send the application at their mentioned address mentioned in the notification, and last date of receipt of application is 21 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. So 6th September is the last date of making application, and apart from that you also need to send an email copy at the mentioned email address with the subject line application for the position of Deputy Project Manager on fixed term basis. Now this is the application format, you can check them in detail. Now terms and conditions for this vacancy. Here the selection process, friends, you will be shortlisted based on your qualification and experience directly for the interview. There will not be any written test, and as I said, you will be called for interview only based on your application, and then after taking the interview they will declare the result of shortlisted candidate on their website. Upper age limit, as I already mentioned, it's a 40 years, and there is age relaxation for reserve category candidates. Then you need to provide your work experience and all other details, and since you will be in the contract period, here total paid leave admissible shall not exceed maximum of 18 days in a calendar year. So in a year 18 days leave is allowed, that is 1.5 days for each completed month. The rest are normal terms and conditions, you can check them, and applications are already started. Last date of making application is 6th September 2024. So by this date you need to submit your application, and it should also reach their office well within the time, and in case you have any query you can write an email to them or contact them at the mentioned phone number for resolving any of your doubts. So my CACMA friends who are meeting the eligibility criteria and looking for a PSU job or government enterprise job, then you should definitely give it a try, since this even though it is a contractual job, but the experience of these 2 years will be added to your resume, and it will be very much helpful in the future jobs where they are asking experience. So there it will be useful for you. So do give it a try and apply for this post. So that's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.